and welcome. Today I am doing a 25-pound men's ThredUp men's clothing box. And this box came from Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania. Now, I work full-time, but I also do reselling part-time. And I enjoy getting these rescue boxes from ThredUp. The men's clothing is by far my favorite, and next would be the shoes, which can be very hit or miss, but overall I've had very good luck. And actually I do have a 5-pair shoe, I think size 8, 8.5, that should be here any day now. They were offering a free shipping code on Monday, so I ordered this box and the shoe box, and this one came today. So let's get into it. I've had a lot of luck with these men's. Let's hope that luck doesn't run out today. And like I said, this came from Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania. And I'm in North Carolina. Don't know if that makes a difference. Okay. ThredUp paper. First look. Looks like I got a lot of jeans. I hope y'all can see that. I'm still learning this filming thing, so bear with me. Okay. So, DGDC, size 33, pair of shorts. That might be Duluth Trading, I'm not sure. But anyway, let's see, this is the symbol. I'm still learning all my symbols. Like I said, I do this very part-time. A pair of shorts, that's good. Oh, I think I see a jean jacket. Levi's. That's awesome. Levi's jean jacket, and it has the disc detail down the side. That's really cool. I've never seen one like that. That's awesome. Let's see what size it is. Size medium. That's nice. I like that. Oh, another jacket. Zara men. Kind of a dressy jacket. That's nice. Let's see what size. USA 36. Made in Turkey. And the material tag has been torn off. That's nice. Okay, well, we have a chaps. New with tags, long sleeve. And that is a size large. The price is not on here. That's been torn off. That's really nice. My husband might want to keep that one. Okay, looks like we have a sweatshirt, which, let's see, Ader, A-D-E-R, Ader. That I don't know about, but if you know what that is, please leave it in the comments. Looks like the tag has been torn out, but let's see if we see anything down here. It looks brand new. It doesn't even look like it's been worn. Yeah, Ader, A-D-E-R. 2020 fall and winter. Cotton polyester, color beige. I still don't see a size. And I would say that's probably maybe an extra large, but it feels brand new, like it hasn't even been worn. But anyway, next. 5'4" from Nick Wooster. Never heard of that. Easy. And this is also a good way to learn your brands. Some of these I've never heard of. Oh, it's new with tags. 5'4" Nick Wooster. Looks expensive, but you never know. And this is a size large, 40-42. So that's it. Next, another new with tags. I love these ThredUp boxes. This is Adidas new with tags. Thunder OKC. Is that Oklahoma? Not sure. That's really nice. Extra large. Originally $50. Really nice. It's the Pure Motion by Adidas. That's nice. Zara Man, a suit jacket. You do get a lot of suit pants in these, and a lot of times you get ties, but a lot of nice ties I will sell, but one hint, put your ties into a craft lot. A lot of crafters use ties for crafting. Okay, Kirkland, size large. Oh, another new with tags. Dockers. Let's see, 38.30. They're nice. Too big for my husband. I will sell those. Okay, Tommy Hilfiger. 32.34. Okay, we have a pair of shorts. Nike Dry Fit. These are a extra large. Oh, not shorts, excuse me. Pants. Athletic pants. Those are nice. They feel really warm. That'll be good for the winter. Okay, pair of extra large Adidas shorts. Climalite. We have Express size medium moisture wicking polo. That looks almost like a kid's. Okay, I see a sweater, and winter is coming. I do need winter stuff. Chaps size large. That's pretty. Oh, here come the ties. Here come the ties. Let's see. Ted Baker. That's a good one. Very good. Purple tie. Let's see what this one is. It's a skinny tie. No name. And Van Heusen. Another skinny tie. New with tags. Oh, Ted Baker. $24.97. New with tags. Kind of black. And then another Ted Baker. London. $24.97. So I might just lock the Ted Bakers up. Okay. Standard James Per Se. This is almost feels like a rain jacket type material. Let's see. Size 4, so that must be another country's sizing. Let's see. Polyester. James Per Se. I have to look that one up. Interesting. H&M Slim Fit Polo, new with tags. You really do get a lot of new with tags. $39.99, extra large, premium cotton. Okay, I think we got another jacket. Let's see here. Kirkland. You know, that's not a big name brand, but that's a nice jacket. Extra large. My husband would keep that. It's nice. Denizen from Levi's. New with tags. Size medium. T-shirt. Oh, pair of Levi jeans. Slim fit. Size 33, 34. They look like they're in good shape. And you usually get around 25 items in this box, which this might be a little bit more than 25. So it usually averages out to about $2.75, $3 per item. I think this box was right around, I didn't see my slip. I think it was right around $100, and then I had free shipping. Okay, let's see. I don't see Old Navy. Some swimming trunks. Sporty, S-P-O-R-O-T-I, Sporty. There we go. These are new with tags. Doesn't have the price. Those are nice. Has the little mic guard on the bottom. Another tie. Woohoo! The Arrow Company. But like I said, put those ties into a craft lot. You know, the ones that no name brand or not a good name brand. Crafters will buy it. Oh, Carhartt. Size medium. That's nice. Button down top. I see some shoes. Under Armour. Let's see what size. Size large. I know my husband will keep these. It's got the little H on the side. Another new, another Carhartt new tag. Size medium. Relax fit. Button down. That's nice. Okay, let's see, what is, oh, it's a pair of shoes that came with the bag. Let's see. Tedelon, T-E-D-E-L-O-N. Ooh, came with two. I dropped one. But it came with a bag for each shoe. And these are the shoes. They look kind of dressy, but also kind of sporty at the same time. Those are nice. Let's see what size they are. Ugh. I'm gonna have to look that up. It says 2.5, 260, 2.5. I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to look that up, but they smell like real leather. Let's see. Still have the tissue in them. Yeah, this is like a foreign size. It says 260, 2.5, and then it has the style number. So I'm gonna have to look those up. It looks like it has real cushiony. Like I said, you will learn from these boxes. I just don't know my name brands that well, especially with men's. Now these are nice. They are Adidas tennis shoes. They look in really good shape, like they've barely been worn, if they've been worn at all. And they're really neat. They have like this little arch. See, I'm putting my finger through there. They come up. That's really nice. Let's see, these are size US 11. Okay guys, well that's it. I'm very happy with this box. Some of the stuff I do have to look up, but I think I would definitely make my money back plus more. I'm interested to look up these shoes. But anyway, like I said, I'm very happy with these men's boxes. If you ever thought about buying from ThredUp, I would very highly recommend. And men's clothing sells really well online. But anyway, like I said, I do have a 5-pair shoe box that should be here tomorrow, I think. So I will do an unboxing on that as well. But anyway, thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye.